Hi guys, welcome to the Butcher family, and this is Danny. This is Danny so cold, you know what I mean? Like, don't worry guys, it's cold in here, so I always wear this one because it's very warm. Now this Danny is I'm eating some banana. It's banana here. Actually, the banana here is already cooked. Oh, what a good! I can't wait to eat. She already eat some chicken. The monster here. Oh, you want more? Huh? Oh, you're not getting it. You're not getting it. Look, all this guys. Ah, you're not getting in it then. Spoiled. No, you're not getting the whole lot. She doesn't like to eat the very thick one. She likes to eat in here. So, spoiled bird. There's another bird here named Samantha. Danny is a typical type of bird that's very behaved. They're not like a sulfur crescent kakato. They're not like a macaw. They're not like a rella. They're not like a gala. She's very behaved and stuff like that. She just sit there.
Even
talk
rare.
To you. Hang on. My turn. Wait for your turn. Just wait for your turn. Are we friends now? And then, actually, guys, don't worry. She always poke on my shoulder. Let me just wash it and wipe it with some tissue. Not like that. I get used to it in a way. And guess what? Bobby's awake. I'm having my blood and Bobby's awake. Just watching me. Like, if it looks good deal, I'll be like sleeping by now. Yeah. Are you full? Where are you going? You want more? I think she's full. Let's see, so you gotta eat this one, guys. Danny?
Is it 3 a.m. already?
Danny? One more? I think she's full, guys.
Oh, I feel higher.
She's actually 8 years old, guys. No,
he's 9 years old, guys.
she's very good boy bird. In the morning, if you going to
I'm not good.
put him in his perch early in the morning, like 6 o'clock, she's not gonna poop on her bed. So her bedroom there, her bed, sleep besides me. Or if you put him early in the perch in the morning, he will poop there. If not, she's gonna poop in there. Have to wash it.
Hello.
Si ate? Si ate? Si ate?
Come here.
She's gonna get angry. Oh, come on, get him.
I'm scared.
So cute. That's our baby, you know. I don't want any more baby. Because Danny doesn't cry, but she make a lot of noise. She squawk and squawk early in the morning. She still wanna eat. Sometimes it's really aggressive, like when I don't give her some food, she's either gonna beat me, my hair, my ears, everything.
Can I see that?
My shirt. This bird here too.
I'm a silly bird.
She's a big soup. So we enjoy too. The one there's a wind sleeping. Look, someone on Danny eats so slow. He's a mama's girl. Boy. Or you know what?
I'm not a boy, Mom.
She's a very good bird. She stay there and watch you. She sit on your shoulder and just be with you. I was talking to my mom on the phone for about 30 minutes. She would just sit there on my shoulder. She just loved to be with me. One more. Look. Ask ate. Drink some biryani. Let's drink some water, guys.
Sorry, there's no more banana left.
Why not?
There's no more. I eat all of it.
Somebody had banana. Daddy,
Mm.
you want some banana? Give me some banana. Oh, she wants a little bit of seeds in the middle of that one. You want more? You want more? Oh, poor thing. Good boy. You done? It's so funny, guys. I put him in his bed right there. That I'm going somewhere, like I'm going to brush my teeth or I'm going to do something. And she's gonna try. She knows that I'm going somewhere. She's just gonna jump out of his bed and trying to walk around in the bed and our bed. And then she was looking for me. Either she's gonna fly or wants to get onto Samantha's shoulder because I want to be with my mom. I want to be with my mom. Isn't that amazing? Hmm? She's a good boy. You have na? No more?
Can I have it now?
She's not like a playful bird. Other birds is really playful. Like Oriru, like Max. She can play with you, but she's not. She just sit there and be with you. It's I don't like that. Sweet potato.
You probably
No?
can't go in it.
She doesn't like sweet potato. She just wants a banana. She actually like a banana spring roll. Yeah.
Hey
Banana
guys,
spring roll. Okay, guys.
we have some hand cream.
That's all for now because I think I'm done. It's because no more banana. So there's some banana. Only sweet potatoes left, and I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Are you done? And I think Danny's full. Bye guys! Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more video of Danny and me. See ya! Bye!